The Shawnee Mission School District found 2 toy guns at its schools Monday.
One at a high school, the other an elementary school. Fox 4's Jonathan Ketz live from Benninghoven Elementary with the response from the principal there. Jonathan.
Yeah, John and Christelle, good evening. The principal here at Benninghoven Elementary sent out a memo to parents yesterday detailing exactly what happened here. Monday, Benninghoven School Principal Anna Jensen said, quote, "One of our students brought a toy gun with them to school this morning. As soon as we learned of it, the gun was confiscated. I can assure you that this matter will be handled in accordance with applicable state and federal laws and district policies. It's important that we reinforce with our students that if you see something, say something."
Well, I'm glad that they're staying on top of things. I want to make sure that everybody's safe. Obviously, you need to kind of think about what you bring to school and what you don't, whether it's a toy or not. So I'm happy that they're on top of it.
Benninghoven parent Tobias Nettie had heard about the incident at his daughter's school. He had not heard about what happened Monday at Shawnee Mission East High School, though. Principal Jason Perez said his school learned of a video circulating where an individual was wearing a ski mask and also holding a toy gun. He said, quote, "The individuals involved were identified and interviewed, and we are confident there is no threat to the East community. This matter will continue to be handled in accordance with applicable state and federal laws and district policies." Each incident in the Shawnee Mission School District happened just one school day after the shooting of an assistant principal and school resource officer at Olathe East on Friday.
You know, it's a good school system. It's great kids that go here, great family, great community. So yeah, it's a little surprising that it's happening around here.
Now, the Shawnee Mission East message went on to thank the individuals who came forward to alert them that a toy gun was inside the building. Jensen here at Benninghoven went on to ask parents to make sure their children what's okay and not okay to bring to school. Also to make sure you check your students' backpack regularly so you know what they're bringing to school. John?